Peace, guys. Where should you cold call for your cleaning business? Hey guys, my name is Beatrice, and on this channel I show you how to make your first million starting a cleaning business the boring way, the under the rock way, places no one is looking, and we give you deep, detailed steps on how to read contracts, how to bid on these contracts as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you where you should cold call for your cleaning business, places not many people are calling. And these places, I've actually called them and I've won contracts and gotten business with them. Okay, so anything that I give you guys, I've done them too. So number one, where you should cold call for your cleaning business: your local housing authority. Okay, it can be your housing authority, your county housing authority where you live at. There's county housing authorities even 30 minutes away. That's where you should be cold calling for your cleaning business. Personal story, guys. One of my great contracts that I got was from calling my county housing authority. And what happened? They told me that they actually had a vendor under contract. So to call back in a year, right? Maybe there was like 6 months left in the year, but they said call back and see if you can get in on the opportunity. And guess what? I did call back and I got the contract. So the follow-up is real, guys. Just because someone says no today doesn't mean that it's not going to turn into a yes tomorrow, next week, next month, or even next year. Okay? Because you, in your mind, you're going to keep doing it, right? You're going to keep going in on your cleaning business. So keep track of those people that you're calling, and I'm gonna leave a call tracking spreadsheet down below, a call tracking spreadsheet that I use, so you won't keep making the same calls over and over. Because when I first started, I would keep cold calling, right? And what happened? I would cold call the same people. Sometimes I'd forget, hey, I just cold call these people, and they just hang up on me, right? So we're gonna leave a cold calling tracking spreadsheet down below, guys. All right, so number one, call your county housing authority and ask them, let them know, hey, I'm a cleaning business owner. Do you have any cleaning opportunities available? And sometimes when you call these housing authorities, they will give you that opportunity before it goes out to bid with the public, which is what happened to me, you know? All right. Number two, where should you cold call for your cleaning business to make that first million? Your county purchasing officers, okay? So the county purchasing office, they make the decisions for any contracts that are available. They are the ones paying you. So I would call google.com, say if you're in New York, right? And you live in Brooklyn, I'd call the Kings County purchasing office, right? Or if you're in PA, you'd call whatever county you're in purchasing office and ask them, hey, I'm a cleaning business owner. Do you have any cleaning opportunities available? And in a separate video, I'll show you guys the strategies I use, what I say when I'm cold calling, and there's more to come on this channel, guys. All right, so number two, of course, call your county purchasing office. They make the decisions. They're the ones paying these vendors when they have a contract. So that's the second place you should be calling, so you can make that first million with your cleaning business. Number three, property management companies, guys. I've worked with a property management company and I've gotten a lot of business from them when I first started. I just called a local property management company in my area, and they would send me out to apartments, mansions. Property management companies, they own malls, buildings, and they'll send you out there to do a walkthrough, and you give them an estimate. And that way, and you can actually sign up to be on their list of vendors that they would call to get some services, cleaning services from. So that is another great place to call, property management companies. and they own a bunch of properties, and these properties need cleaning. So give them a call, ask them what is the process to go on their list of vendors that they can call for quotes for your cleaning business. And I've done that. I've made damn near $6,000 in a month just from one property management company. Okay. All right. Now, as a bonus, guys, it's not a place to cold call, but pick up the phone. It doesn't matter if you think it's a spam call. First of all, get yourself a business phone number, okay? Separate from your personal phone number. So when someone's calling your personal phone, you're not saying, "Hello, this is ABC Cleaning," if you don't want to do all of that. But get a business phone number. And of course, establish your business. Get on Google My Business, get your website together, get your Facebook page for your business. So people know that you have a business. So when they call you, pick up the phone. Because I've gotten a great contract. It was a $6,000 a month contract working 4 days a month, guys. 16 locations. I would do 4 locations per day. And it was actually to work with Amazon. It was for 16 Amazon facilities. But anyway, I was a subcontractor. The prime contractor was looking for someone to subcontract this work, right? And they called me. I missed the called back, and I thought it was a scam. Like, it's nuts. I thought it was a scam, and it ended up being it ended up getting me $6,000 per month, and I only had to work 4 days a month for this contract, guys. So pick up the phone. The follow-up is real, all right? And I'm gonna leave a cold calling spreadsheet tracker in the description, so you can track these cold calls. You'll have so you can enter the person's name, the organization name, the date you called, if you left a voicemail, yes or no, if whether or not you sent them a follow-up email. And so you can keep track of that cold calling spreadsheet, so you can cold call them again, right? And another bonus I have for you guys: check your local newspaper. They have janitorial service opportunities only being posted in the newspaper, and only the companies that know, they know. So they're going to bid on these opportunities. Companies that don't know, they're not gonna have the ability to participate in those opportunities, guys. So just to recap, where should you cold call for your cleaning business? Call your county housing authority. They always need vacant unit cleaning, okay? And if they say, "Hey, we already have someone under contract," okay, when is that contract over so I can give you guys a call back and follow up? All right, don't be afraid to ask those questions. Number 2, call your county purchasing office. They make the decisions. They're the ones paying these vendors when they hold a contract. So give them a call, ask them, "Hey, do you have any opportunities available for my cleaning business? Hey, is there a procurement site, a bidding site I should know of where you are posting these opportunities so I can keep a lookout," okay? And number 3, call property management companies, guys. They have a bunch of properties they're managing, and these properties need to be cleaned, okay? And don't be afraid to give out free estimates. I've given out so many estimates I can't even count. I didn't get them all, right? But it's an opportunity to get into the room. If I said, no, an estimate's $50 per trip, then a lot of them, even me, when I call a plumber or whatever the heck, if they're not gonna give me a free estimate, then I'm gonna move on to the next company that's gonna give me a free estimate, right? So they're thinking the same way. So don't be afraid to give out free estimates, especially when you're first starting. And you can always, which I've done with property management companies, if I get the job, then they will pay my $50 dispatch fee. for providing that estimate. So you know, just try to get that sale, okay? Not try, get that sale, okay? And of course, as a bonus, pick up the phone. Get yourself a business phone number, okay, for your cleaning business. Make sure you're on Google My Business. You have a website together. You have a Facebook page for your cleaning business so they can find you. That's how that prime contractor that I garnered, that I got a $6,000 a month contract working 4 days, 4 long days a month, was because he seen my business out there. He just Googled cleaning businesses near this place. I even and always ask, hey, how did you find me? You know, so you can just hone in on that, right? And of course, pick up your local newspaper. They have janitorial services bids, janitorial service bid opportunities in your local newspaper. All right. Usually it's in the classified section, right? Classified. So they don't want many people to know about this, but these opportunities are out there for your cleaning business. And on this channel, I show you how to make your first million starting a cleaning business. And if you, when you get bigger, right, and you don't have time to cold call for yourself, I have virtual assistants out in the Philippines that look up places to cold call for me. Look up places to cold call for me in my area. I can either cold call myself, or if they have good English, which some of them do, is probably just at a higher pay rate, as low as $3.50 an hour, they will cold call for you, for your cleaning business. All right. So check us out at beesbusinessconsulting.com, where we provide one-on-one coaching on how to start your cleaning business, how to make your first million starting a cleaning business. And we have virtual assistants available to help you with your cleaning business. Okay. All right, guys. Good luck. Have faith. Have faith in your business. All right. Throw away the worry. There is no worries in this. There's no worries, guys. Throw away that worry. Have faith in your business. God bless y'all.